Red blinking grid tie inverter. Error Foxtrot 35. Red light alarm. What's going on here? Let me show you. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear this. Probably not, but I hear some buzzing there. These are the low voltage transformer fuses. Oh yeah. And yeah, they are corroded. Yeah, so these fuses, they are getting corrosion and then they do not make good contact. And that means the grid is unstable and my inverters are shutting down for anti-islanding. And it's not just that the inverters are turning off, it's, you know, all the appliances inside the hotel on that phase, the lights flickering, air conditioning going up and down, etc. So it's very unhealthy. Oh yeah, it's like same sound like you would weld. Yeah, it's arcing. And yeah, so the utility is already informed and they will come and clean this and then everything will work again. Yeah, now it's completely dead. So the first phase is gone. Both meters are showing 0. So it looks like something burned now completely there. Now I heard a boom and it's reconnected again. Oh my god, look at the voltage, how this goes up and down. Yeah, maybe you can hear it now. Same you would weld something. You see, even that voltage is actually mostly present on the grid. Inverters are extremely sensitive to this sort of stuff. And you know, for those people who always say, oh, inverters so dangerous, you know, killing the lineman. Grid-tied inverters, no matter which brand, anti-islanding feature is already included for decades, and this is very, very sophisticated and absolutely safe. Even the tiniest fluctuation on the grid will cause them to switch off immediately and go off grid. But yeah, these two guys will not produce any electricity for me today because I don't know when the utility will come and take some time to check about my phase there. They just come and fix it, and yeah, just took a few minutes and a brush and the job is done. That's the challenges here in the tropics when you have the harsh weather conditions. Yeah, we have to do this about once or twice a year. This is gonna happen. Yeah, and the inverters are already trying to synchronize to the grid again. Another 10 seconds timeout. And we are going to feed back into our system. And that's it. And 1500 watts, 16, 17. Oh, we have been missing out on something today. Okay, 1700 and 800 here. Everything normal again. Okay, so thank you for watching. These are the challenges which we have here. And yeah, please like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel. I see you next time.